right, so turn out the plastic right now. That's what the box looks like. I know we already seen it. Let's get into the good stuff. Grab the camera. Move that plastic out the way. Dog bone out the way. And let's open it. All right. This is actually a power bank that I recently bought. So all right, so this is the power bank that I recently bought for my phone, really, so that my phone won't die while I'm out in public, type of thing. But I'm mainly going to be using this for Uber Eats on my bike and DoorDash. If you choose to cycle out there and do like deliveries, this is definitely a key item that you'll need, so that you can stay out there longer and always anywhere you go, you're not going to see an outlet and something like that. So this is just a longer way to keep going while doing Uber Eats or DoorDash, or maybe camping or outdoors where you don't have a power outlet or something like that. But I'm mainly going to be using this for Uber Eats or DoorDash on my bike. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a quick Amazon grab unboxing of the I'm gonna say Blavor. I'm not sure what the company name is. Please correct me in the comments. But in the box, it's like a dear customer, we greatly thank you for your purchase. While we work hard to ensure each customer 100% satisfactory with our products, there is an avoidable technical issue about the solar charging that still exists. The solar charging result may not be as positive as you might expect it due to a small size of a solar panel on this device. Its high battery capacity and uncontrollable sunlight intensity causes long charging times when using solar as a main charge method. We recommend using 5V2A wall charger to charge this power bank. Solar should be considered as backup source for charging only when other charging methods are unavailable. We thank you for understanding in regards in this matter. We would love to hear from you if you have any questions, comment, or suggestions about the product or service. That's dope. All right, so basically that just said you want to use the solar, the solar part for emergencies only. Charge this indoor with an outlet. So this is the device itself. It comes with flashlights. It looks like the on button's on the side right here, and yeah, looks like I get to plug in some devices. I get to plug in here we go, some device outlets right there. What else is in here? Oh, we got a little key hook thing. Oh, it comes with the compass. That's right. Forgot about that. Comes with the compass, a key ring, and something to attach to your clothing. Pants loop or shorts loop. And then it comes with a charging port. And that's all. Thanks guys for watching. I'm gonna be doing a couple snapshots of this device.